Okay, I'm in love with these. I've had these for 6 years. I have different colors, but I do think it's time for me to replace these. They have survived a tremendous amount of washing, countless washing, because I do wear them quite a lot. And you know, after 6 years, they're only just starting to get a little bit of some of the stitching here, the fabric, or sorry, the threading. So after 6 years, I think that's really great. So they are definitely wash well, they last long, they are absorbent, they're not too tight, they hug you in all the right places, there is some give and stretch to them. Great for the gym, they are squat proof. I love the little V here, and you know, they hug you, and I just love the way that they shape you. They don't make you look boxy like some of the other ones, and they are really high quality. Like I said, they have been washed a number of times, had them for 6 years, and only now is you know, some threading and time for a replacement, which I think after 6 years you get your money's worth. The cost per wear is super low, so if you are in the market for some good quality shorts that are not really snug, give you some stretch, especially postpartum, you can wear this under skirts, dresses, or just as is with a tee like I am. I cannot recommend these enough. I absolutely love them, and they are my go-to.